Alright guys, this is a level 1 do-it-yourself. The only problem I ran across is if you don't straighten this lock pin and it's bent, and if you try to unlock it and it gets stuck in between the door panel, it can blow a fuse. On mine's, my fuses are 49 and 75, so just check those fuses and just pull them out, put them back in, and the fuse might not be blown, but it can reset it. The other thing, I'll show you how to take the motor out, the window motor out, without taking out the assembly. All right, let's get it. Take the door panel off.
You got a man, I see him. Yeah, I slid into your DMs. You got a man, I see him. Tell me when you leaving. I give you 1,000 reasons. One of a kind, you blow my mind. I think about you all the time.
Screw right there,
Yeah.
right here, and it's right in there. You're gonna need a long extension. We're gonna try to remove the clips. That didn't sound great. I believe you gotta take this out. Take this out right here. Damn. You just pull this out. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna take this black thing off. It has a sticky thing, and you can stick it back on there. It looks like, yeah. So I'm gonna take that off, but first I'm gonna take this out. The tabs on the side. Man, we're just gonna peel this off. Take this off. I guess we're gonna take this off to make some room. You got the glass taped up so it don't fall. It was already open like this because that's where it got left open, and we're just gonna remove this bolt, and this bolt, 3 bolts I think, 10 millimeter. Take these 3 Torx bits out. The same one I've been using with Torx 25 or something like that. Oh. Take this out and just take it off in the door, man. Yeah. Get these 2, but to get to this one right here, you're just gonna have to take the door out, the thing out, the bolt, push the bolts out, so you get some room to access that. Be able to do 3 bolts out. Let's see if it comes up. Yep, there it is. So this is the old one. New one. You can't even tell what's wrong. Nope, you probably gotta open it just to see. So we're gonna put it. Of course, set this top one in first because you know you don't have that much space. Then put this in just to get some leverage, and you know, get the other screws in there. And we good. So after we screw this in, we put these 3 screws in, boom, and then we put this black thing back in, these 2 screws, plug this back in, and now we're gonna put the cover on. So we put the installation back on over here. Now, of course, we got this. We got this right here. plug this back in here. I'll plug the door and stuff back in. So pop the tab in. We're gonna put it in here. Can't see, so we'll be right back. We can't see it all over here, so we're just gonna put this back on here. So that goes back in there like that, over and in the slot. And then we just put it back. Put the door back together, snap it back together. Put that back in, and then snap the door back together. Make sure this is straight, because if it's not going in and out like it's supposed to, it's gonna blow a fuse. Yep, we back in order.